What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is Mod Monday, and I've got a good one for you today. Now, it's not technically a mod, but it's my channel, so I can do what I want. What are you, a cop? Check this out. So this is the CRAVoT Cyber Rack 2. I think it's the E2 actually. And yeah, you can see that it's not on my RV right now. It is on the wall because we went to Vegas and we didn't use it. But it is probably the best bike rack I've ever had, and I've had probably 6 or 7 of them by now. Super heavy duty, so yeah, it's not lightweight. You're gonna need a strong one person or, 2 people to put this on, install it. It is a 2-inch receiver. It locks in. It's fully secure, and you can fit 2 e-bikes on it. I think it goes up to 5 inches. On my tires are 4 inches, and this goes up to 5. And you just put one on there and one on there, and then it also has a ramp, so you don't have to deadlift the bikes. You can actually walk them up the ramp onto their respective bars there. And then it has the folding bar that comes up that locks onto the actual bike frame, and another key lock, so everything is super secure. Just don't lose the keys. These straps are pretty heavy duty. They're really nice. The last e-bike rack that I had, one of these flew off as I was going down the road, so not cool. And these things are well over $300. So in fact, that one I think was $500. But yeah, I did end up getting replacement parts for it, but it was a bad deal all around. I haven't had any problems with this one yet. And this is foldable, as you can see right there. You take that bad boy out, that bolt right there, and the whole thing folds up. It is kind of tricky with the EKKO because as wide as these things are, they kind of get in the way as far as trying to fold it up with the back of my EKKO. But your RV may be, built a little bit differently, and or you can take those things off, but that would be kind of a pain in the ass. But it is still foldable. And I've got my purchase pulled up right here. You can see that this is the one that I have. Ramp included, extra wide wheelbase, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, this one was called the E2, and now they have an E3 because I think this was like last year's model. I recommend it. Decent e-bike carriers, as far as carrying 2 bikes, they're going to start at $300. I mean, you might be able to get a used one at like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or something like that. Be careful on Craigslist. I'm at the age now where I'd rather spend the money on a new one. You get the warranty. If there's any issues, then you've got a little peace of mind there. And that's Mod Monday. See you guys on the road.